going up on is out, you guys. If you want to keep up with me, you can do so by following me on Instagram. I mostly post there. But today's video, it's Pamputtae having her say on the Popcaan and his brother situation, alright?
I just want to ask the people them a question. I want even ask Popcaan a question. Your brother get catch a suck pussy, yeah? But I want to know. Drake na suck pussy. Lil Wayne them na suck pussy. No for the rapper them where you there round, where you par with. Them na suck pussy. Them suck pussy, but them just not have no video. Them suck pussy, them lick ass, them do all different type of things. But I understand see our culture. Me nah this to body, but me just ask the world, ask Jamaica and ask Popcaan if the rapper artist them no suck pussy and do the things them too. I prefer the man them where the boy just make me know. Say, well, look here. I just want a foreigner, a celebrity foreigner, suck pussy friend, what not a Jamaican suck pussy friend or a suck pussy family. Just let me know where we are going. Because I don't really understand. A people life and I'm going to live them life regardless. You understand? Regardless, I'm going to live him life. Most of the rapper them suck pussy and eat ass and do the things that